Hello, AP students. This is Miss Davis. So today is 9:23, and I tried to record what we did today in Teams, but it did not record. So I am doing a quick walkthrough of what we did in class today, and then I'll upload this video along with the PowerPoint also. So just to let you know, that's why you're seeing this. So if you're seeing my screen, we know that we are in Power Up, which is HISD's a learning management system. We call it the hub. I went to courses, AP for you guys, and I went through a walkthrough of where you're going to have your assignments. It will be in this area under overview, but also in plans. And I would prefer you to go to plans because that's where we actually do our not planning. That's where I actually upload all the information that you need. And so I went through the fact that we did day one, what we did, the dates tell you the date that it was put in, that it was done, and where we are as of today. So we've done rhetoric, exigence, and we'll get into fully detailed space cap, but you should have watched the video. And how the PowerPoints look, they have a PPTX in under resources and activities right here. So anything that has a PPTX, that's the PowerPoint that we went over that day. And anything with this nice little link, chain link, is a link to an outside source for you to look at or watch or complete a quiz, etc. And then we went into the icon of the red and blue, which indicates to you that this is an assignment. And then I went ahead and I showed you when I add something. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one to add. That way you can see it. And I'll hit show all. So when you see things, if it has this little icon, it is a file. If it has this, this is a page. If it has this, it's Excel. But the main ones I want you to look at is link. You'll see those quite a bit. You'll see assignment. You will see on track. You possibly will see Pear Deck. And you might see test, survey, an H5P periodically. So these are the icons that HISD uses, and I want you to see what those look like. So when they show up in the resources and activities tab, you're like, oh, I know what that is. And I will also put those on the PowerPoint that I will upload for day 6. And under resources, this tells you, this is what we are doing right now. If you open it up, it tells you everything that I put in the plans. Everything that's put in plans, it tells you right there. So that's why plans is so important to go to. Then you can look at your grade book, and I will show you what a student side looks like. Here's your grade book. This tells you what you have submitted, what you've got, what grades you've done, and this tells you every assignment that is uploaded into the hub for you to do. So you can do that as well. The follow-up and reports, this shows me your standards, what you've been able to complete. This personal report is an overview of what you would give, what you've done. So those are a few things that you need to know about. And then we went into digital resources. So up here at the top, digital resources, and we clicked on it and it took us to Clever. The first page, if you have never logged into Clever, it'll say log on with Active Directory, and you click on that. And then I explained to you that there were pages for you. These are all my pages because I'm all English, but you could have, and you'll have this one, Davis AP Lang, but you also could have U.S. history page, etc. And I instructed you all to click in the Davis AP Lang composition page, teacher page, which is my teacher page. So you will click on it. And these are all the apps that HISD has that we in this class will be using. So you will have, it will be the app of Mac and Via. which is your book checkout system. So if you like to read outside of school reading, then you can go in here and check out a book. I have checked out one called The Bone Witch that I'm currently reading. Apex is a grammar understanding system application. And if I see that you're struggling with grammar situations, I might put you in here, Apex, and I will tell you what to actually go over as we do our reading. On Track, this is where you will click on when you have an assignment in On Track that you will do, and we will start some On Track next week. Vocabulary.com. This is also a reinforcer of language and helpful tips for vocabulary. We have not used it yet, but you will use it starting next week. So I wanted to let you know where it is. And then the last one we did was Achieve 3000, and this is where your assignment is for today on 9/23. So Achieve 3000, we're going to click on this and you're going to go into it, and it logs you automatically in with Clever. Now you'll have this nice little Achieve 3000, etc. And then you have a drop down menu that tells you all of your classes. Now keep in mind, I am Miss Davis, so everything is English for me, but you will see your sciences on here. You will see Englishes, you will see histories, etc. And you are going to select for this class and this purpose the AP English Language class. And then you're going to hit login. And as we log in, it gives us the home page of what we're doing. So I just want to let you know that as you scroll down the page, now what shows up first is what's trending, right? You are probably used to this idea of trending because anytime you log into social media, it always tells you your first trends, right? So that's cool. But that's what that is. And then you scroll down, and this is news. So if you like news, you like to know different things, da 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 da, right? This is also Hispanic Heritage Month, the month of September. So definitely you might want to read up on some of this. So this is the news area where you can look for or look at current news. Okay, then we have the Teen Channel talking about Gen Z gaming, things like that. And this is one that you can pick from as well. And then the Scoop is something that is a current idea, right? And then happening now, this is something that is going on currently in America. And then you have this HISD Texas World Geography, which gives you just different places around the world, different things that you might want to know. Okay, so this is Achieve 3000. Okay, and you can also search by keyword. So last year we read a book called First They Killed My Father, which is about genocide. And so I keyworded it up and looked at genocide, and you can look at this one or that one, right, to complete if genocide is your thing, or you can look up at any other idea that you might want to see. Maybe you want to look up Pokemon. Let's see. Of course, it's not going to come up, but you know what I'm talking about. You can look up gaming systems, etc. All right. To get back to the home page, you just go up here to Achieve 3000 Literacy, and you click on that, and it pulls you back to your home page after you've done some searching. And then finally, for today, your assignment is to complete two of the articles. So this is also an assessment comprehension app, and so it tells me how you're doing. But you cannot pick article and activity, and you cannot pick article only. You must pick 5-step lesson or bigger, right? So it must have a 5-step lesson. And then you will go into it. You can read it, and then you will assess it. So if you go into it, it asks you a few things. The first thing, you're going to go ahead and answer the question and type here. Then you're going to read the article. Then you'll do the activity. Then you'll do the after reading poll and the thought question. Okay, so you must do 5 things. So you can only pick the assignments that have a 5-step assignment. So you cannot do a article only. And that is the video that we went through that didn't record in Teams. This is what we did today on 9/23. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to text me or email me. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you all have a great day.